So imagine this: you work hard all year, you are disciplined, no unnecessary spending, no impulse purchase, and at the end of the year, you manage to save up $10,000. You put it into your savings account. You're able to feel good about yourself, right? Alright. But here is what nobody tells you. While that money sits there, while it's sitting in your account quietly, it is shrinking. Not because has stolen it, not because bank lost it, but because one of the silent force that works against you every single day is inflation. And the worst part, most Americans have no idea this is happening to them right now. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how inflation is eating your savings and why real estate might be the most powerful weapon everyday American has to fight back. What inflation actually does to your money. Let's start with the basics because most people think they understand inflation, but you actually feel how brutal it is in real numbers. Inflation is the rate at which the purchasing power of your money decrease over time. When inflation runs at 3% a year, which is roughly the historical average, you see something that costs $100 today will cost about $103 next year. That does not sound everlasting, right? Here is where it gets painful. You see, if you have about $10,000 sitting in a typical saving account, earning around 0.5 interest, and inflation is running at 3%, you are effectively losing about 2.5% of your purchasing power every single year. That $10,000 is real thing. After 10 years, it's worth closer to $7,800 in today's dollar. You did not spend a cent. You did everything right, and you still lost $2,200 in purchasing power. Now, how does that feel? Did your savings account ever warn you about that? Because mine never did. Drop a comment right now. Are you currently keeping most of your savings in your bank account? I want to know how many people this is affecting. Now, here it's where it gets interesting. Real estate doesn't just survive inflation, it actually benefits from it. And there are very specific reasons why. But before I get to it, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Now, I'll move on to the first one. You see, property value rises with inflation. That's the first one. Yeah, you heard me right. Property values rises with inflation. When the cost of everything goes up, material, labor, land, the cost of building new homes goes up too. That puts upward pressure on the existing home value. Historically, US homes prices have appreciated at roughly 3 to 4% annually over the long term. Now let's move on to the second one. You see, your mortgage payment stays fixed while everything else gets more expensive. Yeah, think about that. What this means, you see, you lock in a mortgage today at a fixed rate. 10 years from now, inflation has pushed rents up, pushed home value up, pushed the cost of living up, but your mortgage payment is exactly the same number it was from day one. Yeah, in a world where everything gets more expensive, your biggest expense stays frozen. That is a genuine superpower, let's be honest. Now, let's move on to the third one. If you are renting the property out, your rental income grows with inflation. Rent history, you see, rent historically raise over time. So your income from the property increases while your mortgage payment does not. The gap between what you collect and what you own is widening every year. Now, honestly, when you look at it this way, does keeping $50,000 in a savings account at 0.5% interest still make sense to you? Think about that for a second. Now, let's make this as practical as possible. Example one, let's say you keep $30,000 in savings accounts for 10 years at a 0.5% interest rate. After 10 years, you have roughly about 31,500. Yeah, 31,500 in your account. But adjusted for 3% annual inflation, your real purchasing power is actually closer to about 23,400. Yeah, you can do the calculation. After inflation, after 3% annual inflation, your actual purchasing power is closer to $23,400. You gained 1,500 on paper, and you lost about 6,600 in real value. Now, let's move on to scenario 2. You see, that same $30,000, put it down as a down payment on a $200,000 home. Over 10 years, at the models of 3% annual appreciation, that home is now worth roughly $269,000. Your equity has grown not just from appreciation, but from every mortgage payment reducing your loan balance. That's in $30,000. Two completely different outcomes. Now, which person do you want to be in 10 years? Tell me in the comment section. Now, one thing to keep in mind, I want to be very straight with you because this channel does not do hypes. Now, you see, property is not a risk-free investment. Market fluctuates, leverage cuts both ways, and buying a home you can't comfortably afford in hopes that inflation bails you out is a dangerous game. The point isn't to rush out and buy properties tomorrow unprepared. The point is this: you have to understand the forces working for you and against you. Because right now, if your only financial strategy is savings accounts, inflation is quietly winning, and you deserve to know that. And that's the basic reason why I'm making this video.